Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. If in case you want total control when it comes to your site pages SEO settings, such as setting your title tag manually, you can easily do it. And here's how you can set your title tag in the Wix Harmony editor. So here, go to the Pages drop down at the top, hover over the page you want to work on and click the three-dot button next to its name. Go to SEO and Accessibility, then go to SEO. Here, expand the menu list and expand the Set Title Tag option. My title tag has already been set up, but if you'd like to edit yours or if you want to set yours for the first time, just click on Edit right over here and input your desired title tag. Make sure that your new title tag will meet the requirements or the criteria below. So your title tag should be 55 to 65 characters and include your site's name. Describe this page's main topic, for example, easy homemade bread recipe. Once you're done, go ahead and click on apply. And there you go. Title tags are essential because they tell search engines exactly what your page is about for ranking purposes and serve as the clickable headline for users and search results. A well crafted title tag is your first and best chance to grab a visitor's attention and encourage them to click on your site. That's all for now, guys. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, try checking out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon in the next video.